Guys, a quick vlog today. It's Tony here, and I got my new HD camcorder. Man, I already love it. It's amazing. It can shoot 1080p and 720p. So this video will probably most likely be available in 1080p. I think 720p also. But yep. It took me a while to figure out how to render like HD videos with like my editing software and everything. And it's just like a big step since I'm coming from like standard definition to HD. And it takes a while to like do or something like that. But yeah. So that's my new vlog. I'll show you what the camera looks like, the box. Let's see what it looks like. I'm holding right now. It was on sale for $100, so I got a really good deal. Yep. So yeah, that is today's vlog. Really quick, I wanted to say that I got my HD camera, like I promised in my Tuesday video, that it was late, but I'm sorry about that, guys. And yeah, so I'm really enjoying my new camera, and I hope you guys enjoy the new my vlogs that will be in HD, and I'm loving my camera. So I will see you guys later.